Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie divine. We will cover everything from the foundational crust to the delightful filling and the final presentation. You will learn how to achieve that perfect balance of textures and flavors that makes a pie truly heavenly. Get ready to transform your baking skills and impress everyone with your incredibly delicious creations. Let's dive into the secrets of crafting an unforgettable pie. The secret to a divine pie often begins with an exceptional crust. For that perfect flaky texture, always use very cold butter, cut into small half-inch cubes. Work quickly to combine it with your flour, leaving some pieces of butter visible, about the size of small peas. Gradually add ice water, just enough to form a cohesive dough. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling. This helps prevent shrinkage and ensures a tender result. Now let's talk about the heart of your pie, the filling. For truly irresistible flavor, always choose seasonal fruits at their peak ripeness. Balance the natural sweetness with a touch of acidity, perhaps a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. To achieve the perfect consistency, thicken your fruit fillings with a few tablespoons of cornstarch or flour. Don't forget to enhance the aroma and taste with warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or a hint of cardamom. Baking your pie correctly is crucial for a divine outcome. Always bake your pie on a preheated baking sheet. This helps ensure a wonderfully crisp bottom crust. Start baking at a higher temperature for about 15 minutes, then reduce it to allow for even cooking. Patience is key. Cool your pie completely for several hours before slicing, letting the filling properly set. Finally, elevate its presentation with a dollop of fresh whipped cream, a scattering of fresh berries, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.